Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another healthcare work from home job lead. Real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on. And as always, if you're interested in putting your applications into anything I share, the links to all of these are always in the YouTube description box below this video. With that being said, we have featured Ciox Healthcare Company on this channel before. They really hire for a lot of healthcare positions that don't require very much experience. And this one is a non-phone position that requires very little experience. They are hiring a work from home fax processor. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. But a fax processor will provide office administrative support, ensuring that computerized records are processed and captured accurately and maintained in the database in a correct manner. So you'll accurately process any incoming electronic faxed medical records within the processing application. You'll ensure the confidentiality of all data within the records is maintained. You'll maintain accurate and up-to-date data in the systems. You'll report any issues to your supervisor in a timely manner so those issues can get corrected, and you'll do any other duties that is assigned by your supervisor. Now, they do not require very much experience. As I said, only 6 months of data entry experience is required. They do want someone who has the ability to adhere to company policies, so they want a rule follower, someone to work effectively with co-workers, so good team working skills, someone who can listen and consider ideas, someone to keep others informed. You don't mind sharing information you've learned, someone who has great attention to detail, and of course you have to have computer skills working with Windows applications, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, all of those things. Now, they don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, so they did not list pay. You'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.